Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I'm sure abantu abaningi bayibuza ukuthi ubalo semva kwa. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngani na? Ngizokhuluma nge-striker coach. Ngizokhuluma nge-striker coach position i-Orlando Pirates ekumele isifile up. Ku-Orlando Pirates currently it seems like asikho i-striker coach esikhona. Ukube sikhona i-striker coach ngabe siyakhombiswa, ngabe bayasitshela ukuthi nasi i-striker coach so-Orlando Pirates. The last time I heard ukuthi Orlando Pirates ine-striker kwakukhona bani na? Kwakukhona uScott Chickelday. Kwakukhona uScott Chickelday bafethu. Lo coach lo bafethu wayecoacha le eEurope. Wayecoacha i-strikers zase-Europe. Ama-team amaningi bafethu ayaseke wasebenzela ngaphambili. Wayesebenzela iTottenham Hotspur, sekwayisebenzela bafethu iQPR. Tottenham Hotspur, i-team edlala kwi-Premier League, sekwayisebenzela ngaphambilini ecoacha i-strikers zakhona. And lo coach lo bafethu wayemnandi kakhulu. I remember i-Orlando Pirates ngosikhathi imi-appoint. Yabo yam-appoint umjida and yasebenzisana with i-strikers e-Orlando Pirates. Yabo wafika umjida wahlala isikhathi esincane ku-Orlando Pirates wasiwabuyela le Europe. But leso sikhathi esincane wasihlala ku-Orlando Pirates waba more impactful kwi-striker esazinazo that time. At that time sasine-striker njengobani na? Sasino-Erasmus, sasino umjida lo uzakhelele pass, sasino Chukwumani or Evanet Makgopa. I think at that time umjida wayelimele if I'm not mistaken, yabo. But lezo i-striker lesi sasikhona, umjida wenza sure ukuthi u-implementa one of the best trainings i-striker eziyidingayo ebholini, yabo. Wa-implementa one of the best tactics i-striker ekumele siwasebenzise uma sidlala ebholini, yabo. I remember at that time Orlando Pirates bafethu yayingenzi kahle, but ke once sefika lo mjida lo we saw Erasmus edlala kahle. We saw ama-attackers e-Orlando Pirates e-dominator edlala kahle. Uzakhelele Pasa waze wasiza iBafana iqualify. Imagine Uzakhelele Pasa is the player that made Bafana qualify for leya AFCON lesa sidla. If ukhumbula kahle Bafana yahamba yodlala kwi-Cote d'Ivoire. Uzakhelele Pasa was the striker who was leading the nation. He was the player who was leading the nation. Uzakhelele Pasa wadlala kahle against ama-team anjengo Morocco. Uzakhelele Pasa was on fire because of the striker coach Jukumanja. Isizini yokugcina yaJukumanja ku-Orlando Pirates. He was on fire. Isizini yokugcina yaJukumanja ku-Orlando Pirates because of this striker coach. Jukumanja scored the last winning goal kwi-Nedbank Cup because of this striker coach. Yabo. Waba impactful ku-Orlando. Lo coach lo ngizwa kuthiwa umjida usebenzisana nobani na? Usebenzisana ne-strikers zaphesheya. Yabo i-strikers zaphesheya menibazi ke labajida bafethu. Lo mjida lo odlalela i-Aston Villa, u-Ollie Watkins, beno-Harvey Elliott, lo obedlalela nina, obedlalela i-Liverpool. Yabo imagine having a striker coach esikanje. Yabo uyi-private striker coach, ayikho i-team ayona currently. Okwamanje usayi-private striker coach because udinga i-team ezokwazi im-appointe, yabo akwazi ukuthi ayisize asize ama-strikers akhona. Angazi ngempela kwenzakalani ku-Orlando Pirates, why bayikhansela i-contract yakhe, because umjida wayenza kahle. Because Orlando Pirates, truth be told, asenzi kahle up front. Truth be told, we are not doing well up front. We need a man who will raise his hand and say, okay, I'm here and I'm here to teach these guys how to score goals. Sidlala ibhola elihle. We are playing a very, very, very good game. Yabo, abajida badlala ibhola elimnandi. But when we go to the final third, we mostly rely to our wing. We mostly rely kuma wingers wethu. Lento leyo ukuthi uMakgopa akwazi ukukahlela, akwazi ukukora, ucreate ama chances. We've made it a norm. We've made it a norm right now. And it is not something that is like normal, to be honest. A big team like Orlando Pirates, you cannot make a striker like Evanet Makgopa a norm ukuthi adlale week in week out. Yabo wazi ukuthi aMakgopa akakori but uzocreate ama chances. Yes, it's a good thing, but what if those wingers yabo awakori? What do you get? You need an alternative. An alternative is Umbuthuma. Umbuthuma is not scoring goals. You need someone who will teach these players how to position themselves, how to score goals, how to shoot, how to react when they are facing a goalkeeper. When they are facing a goalkeeper, last game it was very, very, very poor. But the way we took our chances. Yabo, some will say Umbuthuma, not Umbuthuma per se, but some will say Lomchita lo. Ricardo Goss was on fire. Ricardo Goss was not on fire. Ricardo Goss was not on fire. Orlando Pirates, they made sure ukuthi bampasela uRicardo Goss. They made sure ukuthi Ricardo Goss bampuxela yena. Tsebang Moremi managed to score. he managed to score because akamphaselanga uRicardo Goss. Yabo thina sidinga umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi asisize sibe clinical up front. That is all. Once we get that man sizokwazi ukuthi siwine. Bakwazi ukuthi bamlande lo coach lo for ama games amancane, limited games. Why bengamlandi manje? Because uma usubheke big chances missed. Big chances missed kwi Betway Premiership so far. Uma usubheke nje kwi list yama team Orlando Pirates isimise ama chances ayi51. Orlando Pirates have missed 51 chances. Imagine. We have missed 51 chances and sescore ama goals ayi34. We have 34 games. We have 34 goals. But imagine ama big chances esiwamisile. Ngabe sinalo 51 goals. Truth be told, ngabe sinawo lo 51 goals. Imagine Mamelodi Sundowns imise 33 big chances and score 34 goals. Yabo. Nakhona it's a huge number, but they are scoring goals. At least they are scoring goals. Thina we have more chances esiwamisile than scoring. We have more chances esiwamisile than scoring. So leyo nto leyo kumele ngempela ikumangaze, kumele ikuthuse. Yabo, kumele ikuthuse leyo nto leyo because it is not a good number. Yabo, it is not a good number. Sundowns yenza show siyakora. Yabo, they are one less chance. Bamise 33, bakora 34. Yabo, akufani. You can say akufani. Athina, bafethu, mina ngiyamdinga lo coach. Hayi kabi. Yabo, the players are playing good. The players are playing good, but up front we need someone who will teach them how to do the basic things when they are facing an opponent goalkeeper. They were very, very good. Siyona game yokuqala le. Yabo, some will say, "How Vane, why usho nje?" Because yabo siyawina kwamanye ama games. Pulongane City siwine kanzima. Richards Bay siwine kanzima. Uma usubheka lawo ma games amathuba siwamoshile maningi kakhulu. We've missed many chances. So I cannot say yabo ukuthi yes yabo senza kahle kodwa ke just the two goals be right now. I cannot hide from that. Yabo, we cannot use that as our excuse. Yabo, asikwazi ukusebenzisa lokho as excuse. Asikwazi. We cannot do that, bafethu. Asikwazi ukusebenzisa lokho as excuse. So mina ngokwami asilandwe striker coach. Asilandwe striker coach sikwazi ukuthi siqoqele abajita, sikwazi ukubenza one of the best strikers akhona ku Betway Premiership. I don't want to compare our guys, but if you can look about Brian Leon, if you can look about Ikram Reyners, they make sure they eat the net. They make sure also they eat the net. So we need a striker coach like Umchita Scott Chickledy. Yabo, let's hope Orlando Pirates they are working on finding a striker coach, because if we continue like this, akuzoba nzima kakhulu. Yabo, our next game ngeke ibe mnandi. TS Galaxy asiyona team esingayithesa kancane, and sizoba nesikhathi esikhulu ukuthi si prepare for TS Galaxy. So mina ngokwami I think Orlando Pirates iyasidinga a striker coach, but ke wena ungangitshela ngoko